Katie and Sam are friends since kindergarten and they always do everything together. But this year, they have done one thing differently. They have picked up two different skills to learn. While Sam chose to learn baseball, Katie chose to take coding lessons with eTutorWorld. Although Sam is having a lot of fun with baseball, he is curious about how Katie is doing with coding. Let's peep into their conversation on their way to school on a Monday morning.
Hey Katie, my mom said you are taking coding classes. Do you like learning a programming language?
Yes, I love taking coding classes. They are fun and I am having a great time making little software of my own. Practice makes coding easy.
Is it very complicated?
Not at all. Coding sounds complicated but it is not. Like all things good in life, practice is the key here. The more you practice the better you get. In just a few days of taking coding lessons, you are able to write lines of code and make awesome new software, websites and more. Coding teaches crucial skills.
I never thought learning to code could be so much fun. You look more confident these days.
Of course. I am feeling confident because coding has armed me with many skills such as problem solving, communication, logic and even creativity. I can now think out of the box and create unique solutions for problems in hand. All these skills have tremendously helped me in my life outside the screen. Coding is for everyone.
Wow, really? I thought coding was boring and was meant for grown-ups. I never thought children could do it too.
There is no age limit for coding. It's all about learning a language and then combining it with logic to create new and unique solutions. Children as young as 4-year-olds are learning to code and are creating wonderful apps and websites of their own. Scratch programming, Python programming, web designing. You can also learn coding if you like the idea. Ask your mom to enroll you for coding lessons with eTutorWorld. They offer 3 courses at the moment: Scratch programming, Python programming, and web designing. Let eTutorWorld's coding team help you.
Which one should I go for?
To select the right course, you can get in touch with the coding team at eTutorWorld. They will understand your inclination and suggest the ideal course to begin with. You can also set up a free trial to experience their teaching methodology. Coding can be life-changing at any age. If you think it is for children who have an inclination towards tech, you are wrong. Every child should learn coding to acquire some key life skills such as communication, problem solving, planning and logic.
Got it? I will rush home now and ask my mom to register me for coding classes at eTutorWorld.
Visit us at www.etutorworld.com/coding to learn more about coding lessons at eTutorWorld. For more videos, visit us at